Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Let's fix rough or blank edges that appears after copying an image. Select the clone stamp tool with a soft rounded brush. Hold Alt and sample from the area text next to blank edge. Carefully paint over the empty parts. Work slowly to match color and lighting. Also adjust brush hardness to match nearby textures. Clone from both directions for better blending. Avoid repeating patterns by resampling frequently. Use low opacity for smoother transitions. If cloning a texture surface, zoom in for precision. Add light blur for consistent finishing. Check the border alignment and fill any missed spots. Now your crop looks clean and